Hey everybody, welcome to the first video in over a month really. Sorry for not uploading for a while. There just wasn't really much happening in the legacy jailbreak scene and also at school, so I only really make videos when a new fix releases or something like that. And yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fix eBay on iOS 6, and this restores almost 100% functionality. Yeah, you can log in. The only thing you can't do is buy things, which you'll need to do from a computer. But yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, what you want to do, go to Cydia. You go to Sources. Sources. Click on Edit, and then you want to type in. Type it in. I'm going to type in cydia.preloading.dev. So just like that. Hit add and then give it a sec. Alright, now what you want to do, you want to go to preloading's repository, click on tweaks, and then you want to click on eBay X squared, or tab. Then what you want to do, you want to click install eBay on device, and you want to click install, and that'll start the installation process, so let that finish. Alright, now what you want to do, go back to Cydia again. Sources, go to preloading, tweaks, eBay X squared. Now you want to install the tweak. Click confirm. Now you want to click on restart springboard, or tap on it, my bad. Alright, now what you want to do, just open eBay, and there you go, you should be good. So, for example, I can't really register an account here, but if you have an eBay account and you have two-factor authentication turned off, you can actually sign in using the eBay secure sign-in. But yeah, let's say I want to search for I wanted to search for something. I can look around, I can view it, and yeah, so this basically restores a lot of functionality, or maybe even 100% to eBay. But yeah, so that's how you fix eBay on iOS 6. I'm not sure if it works on iOS 5 or iOS 4, but it doesn't work on iOS 3, so there's that. Yeah, I hope you have a good day and hope it helped. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.